Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to active your Unitedhealthcare Ucard in 2025. In order to do that, first of all, you have to visit this website called active.uhc.com. From here you can just simply click on this website, just click. Now it will take you to a registration page. Now from here you have to enter your first name, last name, email address, phone number and your date of birth. Now after adding that, here you have to register using member ID, where you can find I find this information. It will be on your front of your U card under the activation sticker. Just enter the member ID and the zip code and just hit on the continue button. Now after doing that, it will take you to last four digit of your they will ask you to last four digit for verification, like provide the necessary personal information to verify your identity, including your date of birth as well. Now after that, you have to create a log into your online account. If you do not have a United Health online account, create one by entering your email setting from this website. Just simply click on the sign in. If you are already a member, click on this provide employers and agents. Simply click on members. From here you can just simply enter your email and username or password and establish security questions. If you already have an account, log in with your credential. As you can see here, you have to enter your username and password to register. If you want to register in online, just simply click on the register. From here you have to enter the first name, last name, date of birth and the member ID. Now complete the activation process. Review all entered information for accuracy and submit the activation request. You will receive a confirmation message from once your card is successfully activated. Now download the United Healthcare mobile app for easier management of your benefits.